How can you drive like this? How? This is not safe. What's the license plate? CHRP 229. Like how? That is so bad. Like how? Just focus on the road, please.
Oh my fuck. Oh, monkey. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh, that been rolling, so that shit wanna hit somebody's shit. That been rolling. That been
Are you retarded? Seriously?
Did he pass you?
Sorry?
Did he pass you on?
Yeah, on my right side.
Yeah. Yeah, and he's on his slow.
Yeah.
Okay.
You need me to stay?
No.
No?
You got that rolling?
Yeah.
You want to just email me or something? Or, you know?
Sure.
Thanks.
Okay. I'll stay.
Fresh food. Amateur chefs, barbecuers, smorgasborders, snackers, bakers, and microwavers. At Kroger's new restaurant at a great price with same-day pickup and delivery. Because people and fresh for everyone.
So don't take a chance with those other guys. Bet on a better breakfast with Wendy's bacon or sausage, egg, and cheese biscuit. Choose wisely.
Вот сейчас и это нам еще Жень, ты чё? Сейчас затормозит он еще перед нами. Жень, чё?
Oh! We're gonna stop. Oh man!
look.
Oi! Oi! What the fuck are you doing?
Fucking idiot.
What the Yo! Sorry, I'm sorry.
He does have a stunt double for some season. I'm a woman.
Go.
I would never have a stunt double. I would have a stunt triple. I'm serious. And I would only use a stunt double for a client because the last time my client was free, 2,000 pregnancy reports.
Stupid. That's him! That's him! That's him! That ain't me! He stopped in front of me! Fuck wrong with you? That's him! He stopped in front of me! That he didn't want to go nowhere! He slid in front of me! That's him! No, I'm not gonna sit at no red light. That! Oh my! What the f is your problem? You gotta be f***ing kidding me. Absolutely no f***ing way.
What? What? Why'd you brake check me? Why the f did you brake check me? You're the one that brake checked me. It's all on dash cam. It's all on dash cam. Look your tag number up on YouTube. I don't give a f, dude. You're the one that brake checked me. You're the one that brake checked me. Look your tag number up on YouTube tonight. You're the one that brake checked me. You're the one that brake checked me.
I know is that the crowd has desperate need of gold, and our Lord Treasurer is dead. The old fool seized upon that. I shall draw up a list of men suitable to take Lord Giles's place upon the council. A list? Cersei was a...
Fucking heck.
Idiot!
Hopping up and out of everything. Because he went to the bar, he's like, yo, Melissa, whatever Michael wants, make it, put it on the house.
Slut in the corner, or whatever it's called, slut in a
In the
What's
drawer?
it called? Sled in the drawer? No, sled in the
Cabinet?
sled in the cup? Sled in the something. She's on Jeff Lewis's show, she said. We don't listen to Andy Cohen's Serious.
Oh my god.
Video protected.
Bauer is CEO of HGK Shipping, which builds barges that carry all sorts of goods up and down the Rhine, the main artery of Germany's economy. Bauer says in recent years, the late summer months have meant record low depth levels on the Rhine.